Hi guys, today we're going to do a tutorial on the Wacom One drawing pad. This is a touch screen pad, so I'm just going to do a setup. So I'm just opening the box up right now, and inside is the Wacom One screen based drawing tablet. It comes with a pen. It's nicely packaged, as you can see. So there's the pen and the wire. It's got a really nice clean finish. So I'm just going to open it out of the package. As you can see, it's got a nice clean finish. It looks a bit like an iPad type screen. So I've got this all connected up now, and I've got it connected to Adobe Illustrator, and I'm using the pen. There's like a little nib at the bottom where you click on it, and you're able to like draw with the pen. So I'm using Adobe Illustrator here to literally do a little drawing, a sketch of a face. And this is the first time I'm doing it, so I'm just sort of using the brush to draw, and you can see it's very responsive. So you connect it up to your desktop or your laptop, and then what it does, it mirrors the screen. So I've mirrored it up to a Promethean board now, and I'm literally drawing a face using the tools in Adobe Illustrator, and it's very easy to use. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.